Today we are going to be taking a look at this beautiful modern mobile home featuring 1,400 square feet, 3 beds and 2 baths. This is a brand new home, and overall, starting from the beginning, I really like this design of the home. You have a very nice exterior, something that is very unique to just this home, and you also have a lot of patio area over here to just relax on a beautiful sunny day like it is today. All right, so we are on the patio area right now, and right from the beginning, I love how much space you have here. You also have the composite decking, which is going to be very durable against the weather changes, and it's going to be very resistant against fading from the sun. So that's definitely a big plus. You do also have these black railings, which go really well along with the house, the color of the siding and things like that. As we come up on this side, we have these 3 window panels, which is going to give a lot of natural lighting into the home, and it's going to give this home a really nice style that you really don't see in many homes like this. Coming up here a little bit closer, you have this nice design on the siding. It's a little bit of a gray/white color, and I like how it's not too white and not too gray. I think it's a perfect combo with the siding color that you have on this house. Let's take a look on the soffit. We have 2 recessed lights on here, which is going to give it a nice vibe once you are sitting here in the dusk. So this is definitely going to be a nice feature of this home. Welcome inside the home. Right from the beginning, you guys can see this is a very nice and open concept home. There's a lot of space in here, and even though this house is not very wide, it's very long, as you guys can see. And right from the beginning, I really like the layout of this home. You have a massive island here. This is a laminate island, as you guys can see, paired with these beautiful white cabinets. You have the hood right here, which is really nicely placed. Here you have also a little pantry. You have a pretty decent amount of space. I think that's pretty much enough for a house like this. As we continue along over here, we have a microwave right here. It's a Whirlpool microwave. You just push this and you open up the microwave. It's pretty decent size. And I do like how nicely they integrate it in here. It looks very nice and flush with the overall design. You do have a lot more storage right over here as well as drawers, which are also soft close, which is a pretty nice feature in this home. Not many mobile homes actually have this kind of feature, so it's nice that they included this. As we move forward, we have more windows here to add in a lot more natural lighting into the home. You have this really nice stainless steel open sink. It's not very deep, but it is pretty wide. It's a standard size, so I think this is pretty much enough for all your needs. You have a pretty nice faucet here, which does feel pretty solid and also expensive, so that's a nice feature. Your dishwasher is going to be placed right here, and you have more storage right over here as well. And yeah, these aren't soft closing, but the drawers in some of these are. Like for example, this one, it is soft closing. I wish they did put this in all of the doors, but at least you do have them in the drawers. Your refrigerator is found right here. And everything here is also Whirlpool. You have more cabinets up top. That was the kitchen. Now let's go into the room that is found right across from the kitchen. It is the first bedroom. And as you guys can see, it's actually an ensuite. You have a really large master bathroom here, which is a really nice feature of this home. You have this massive window here that lets in a lot of natural lighting. And if we take a look at over here, this is actually an LED mirror. You have LED a light strip over here. Welcome into the little closet for the toilet. I kind of like how they did separate this individually. You do of course have a light with a vent, so you kind of just are really secluded in here. Yeah, once we move a little bit forward here, we have a closet here, which is actually a really good size. You can definitely fit a lot of things over here. And now coming into the fun part, we have a massive walk-in shower, and I mean it is massive. You can tell this is a very large shower. It looks to be a 60-inch wide, and you, like I said, have so much space here. These aren't actually tiles though. If you come up closer, this is not a tile. This is an imitation of tile, but it does certainly look like tile. So if you don't really care to have, porcelain or ceramic tiles, this will definitely do. Coming inside the shower, you do have a shower base, which is not a custom one. It is just a pre-made shower base. You do also have a towel rack right here, which is pretty large, so you can definitely fit some pretty large towels in here. But that was the master bathroom. Let's now go into the other parts of the home and see what this home has to offer. As we keep walking through the house, we have more storage over here. I do also like how they included these shelves, which are found on both sides of this wall. And then we walk into this massive area, which is of course going to be the living room. It's not too big, however, for this house I think this is definitely going to be more than enough. You have these large windows on both sides of this wall, which definitely give a lot of natural lighting into this home. Something that I really like is also these 3 windows right here. It's a very nice and modern style, and this is definitely going to add a really nice and elegant style that is also very unique to just this home. Because like I said, I don't see many of these homes that include these kind of designs into their homes. Coming over here, we have the rest of the bedrooms. We're going to go into this one right here, which is the 2nd bedroom. We have a decent size. It's not too much, but like I said, another one of those big windows here. And you do also have a little closet space here. It's not too much, but I think for the size of this room, this is definitely going to be enough. Moving along, we have this room right here, which you are going to find the furnace, which is going to be right here. And it's also the laundry room. So I do like how they have a separate room to fit all your utilities and things like that. And it is a pretty massive room as well. So this is definitely going to be a very usable room. We have the guest bathroom, and it's pretty decent size. No special materials used in here. It's just going to be pretty much basic, but you do have the continuation of the same countertop, vanity lights, and mirror that you found in the master bathroom. I do like how you have additional storage here, so you can keep some towels here or maybe some toilet paper, because you don't actually have any closets in this bathroom. So this is definitely something that they needed to include. And you have a pretty basic tub here that is also connected. It's just all one piece. It's a tub with a tub surround. And you do also have a window over here to add in a little bit of natural lighting, which I do like how they included that. That is something that you see pretty often in these newer homes. And then coming back into the 3rd bedroom of this house, it is pretty much going to be the same size as the 2nd one that we showed you. But this is also going to include more of those windows. And I do like how they included 2 of them. And you guys can see it's a sunny day, but we don't have any lights on in this house. And there's so much natural lighting in this home. So this is definitely going to be a very nice feature. And then here you do have a closet, which is actually a little bit bigger than the 2nd closet that I showed you guys in the room. But anyway, guys, that is going to be it for this tour. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, definitely make sure to drop a like on this video. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think of this house? I personally really like this house, especially the exterior. Like I said, I have not seen many homes like this with this kind of design. And the interior definitely has a lot of space. I specifically like this kitchen and this massive island. So like I said, let me know what you guys think of this home in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.